So many of you asked for a product breakdown of this look. I recreated it product by product.
Let's get into it.
Let's evaluate. This is how I got to my finished look. I started with the Nani cream, which is from my Yes Style haul. Layered on Secret Magic Stick. That's a pore refiner that we can't talk about, that's unreleased. Essentially, a pore refining primer will do. And then we went on with Skin Caring Polite Society Foundation, translucent powder right on top. Then I used Makeup by Mario, shade 320. With the Polite Society powder on top. Probably the most important piece of my complexion routine that's a tool would honestly be Mario's Puff and then the F4 brush. Next, Mario is the king of layering. So I've powdered myself to complete matteness. This skin enhancer in shade medium, tap gently around the pan. Do not attack the center of the pan. You hit pan faster in a weird way and then you have these awkward corners. The way that you apply the product matters. The skin enhancer is now gonna go on all of my edges, but it's sitting on top of powder, so it's gonna neutralize just the right amount. That's my secret sauce, and that's the secret sauce of layering and using powders in the right way to bring your complexion back to life.
I love how this gives like a dewy finish.
Exactly. If you're oily, make sure you lay down powder. If you just lay your skin enhancer on top of a liquid foundation and you are oily or combo, you will not be as happy with the finished aesthetic.
Wow, it makes such a difference.
It's huge. And you always, always, always can layer more powder. I'm just using whatever excess from my puff. And now we're ready for eyebrows. Merit 1990 Brow Pencil in shade light brown. Then we have the companion Merit Brow Gel also in light brown to soften up the depth of my brows that are nanobladed. This is a super micro tip and it's a gel base, so it comes out looking very, very light. More shiny ingredients in this, even though it has a lot of wax in there too. So I like the way that this brings the brow even more precision. Brow gel, not crunchy. Once I do my brows, I'm ready for my eyes. Two of my favorite makeup artists in the world, Mario and Danessa. They're gonna get married on my eyes today. Master Mattes, the original. I used this on you all the time. I use this on both of us, and I use this a lot on me, and I mix. Now that we're entering the fall, and I bought a bag that is this color and this color, we're gonna be using those too. I literally do this look in like 20 minutes. If you don't want to splurge for Mario, I've been using a lot of these lately, and I've also been using the Nabla. And now I'm using Danessa's Proud shade from her latest light work. Look at how that just lays down so easily. This is such an interesting style base. Look at that. I'm using Mario's brown liner, and I'm just ever so gently gliding it along the edge. I'm going as thin as I possibly can. I'm blending it out with the other side. That's why I love this liner. Next, Sleepy Girl, the other side of my F4 brush. We're going right in. Notice now how Sleepy Girl is gonna sit right on top of the skin enhancer. Took the smaller side because I'm concentrating a smaller side of my face. I'm blending this right into the skin enhancer, which is right atop the powder, and then I'm taking the bigger side to blend it in more into the skin to showcase less pigment. Small side for accuracy and precision and deposit. Big side for blend. Bam. And then Charlotte Tilbury, this little baby. Love the base. Love the way it makes my lashes look. Lip liner, starting line. Love the rubberized grip. This is Say Everything lipstick in shade Whisper. Slimline. This is probably one of my favorite products in the line. Really creamy, thin, comfortable bullet. Finally, the gloss Legacy. I absolutely love this lip combo. And this was my Let's Meet Serena Williams at the US Open look.
I love it.